Hey guys, let me introduce myself a little bit. My name is Peter Guardiamonte. This is my first time posting on YouTube. I just want to document my journey and show everybody what I do. I love anything related to computers, network, and IT, cybersecurity, Arduino, Raspberry Pis. I mean, look at my projects. These are just, I've got so many different things going. And yes, that is a doorbell. You press the doorbell, and it runs a Python Flask server. Well, you're supposed to have a USB webcam on here, and that's one of my favorite projects. I use it for work. It broadcasts the webcam footage over HTTP to a device. So this is a Wi-Fi access point and server serving up my HTTP web page, which is the webcam. So I could set it up somewhere remotely, and I can see it from my phone. I love it. Just Python, networking, and Raspberry Pi, and you can make anything you want. I love it. I'm still in school. I graduate in December. I'm in an internship right now. My main career right now, I'm an electrician. I've been doing that for 6 years. I love it. I absolutely love my job. I make good money. Well, sorta, but I'm not complaining. But my body just can't take the climbing and under the houses, in the attic, all that nasty shit. My body just can't handle it anymore. I'm tired. I was on dialysis for 6 years. I had open heart surgery. I'm just tired, man. So I'm getting into IT. Hopefully I can find a good paying job that's got insurance, and I got 2 beautiful kids. I love baking. Not bacon. I love bacon, but I like baking bread. I'll throw up one of my videos from last month at Shark Fest. I did a shark bite there, which was really fucking cool. You do a presentation, a 5-minute presentation on anything that's not Wireshark or IT related. And so I chose bacon bread, and I'll put it up on my channel. There's already the only thing I have on my channel right now is actually a GIF of, or a GIF, however you want to call it, of dough rising. That's it. Just my starter getting all bubbly and rising and everything. So, but I've got plenty of stuff that I'm gonna post in a little while. I just wanted to come on here and introduce myself. That's it. If you're into networking, IT, cybersecurity, baking, and bacon, follow my channel, or Raspberry Pis, little cool little Ponagacci. I got a bunch of other projects I'm working on. Sometimes I put too many irons in the fire, and then I'm like, which one do I work on? So. But right now I'm actually working on getting the Wireshark Certified Analyst certification. I'm going through Chris Greer's course right now, which is awesome. I'm having a great time. Labs are awesome. The lessons are great. It's detailed, it's engaging. It's fun. It's fun. So I'm gonna attempt to get that certification before the beginning of the year. Come this past May, I just got my CCNA. I'm very proud of that, actually. I busted my ass to get that cert. Studying every single day on top of school and work and the kids and everything. What else? Last year I got Sec Plus and Network Plus from CompTIA, both those in March. Let's see. that's about it. So I'm gonna get the WCA by the end of the year, and hopefully that'll be enough. With my associate's degree, that will be enough to get me a decent job. And if I find anything in between now and then so be it. Fun times. But I'm gonna get back to it and try to figure out how to load up these videos. And they're fun. I'm doing NMAP scans and capturing them with T-Shark, and just trying to show you the different ways that Wireshark captures the NMAP scans. And I also have the JA4 Plus plugin both on Zeek and Wireshark, so I kind of dabble in that a little bit on this next video. It's really cool, so check it out. That's it, guys. Just not doing anything real crazy, nothing serious, just having fun, trying to share my journey with you guys, and that's it. Alright, well, it's nice to meet you all. I hope you guys stay and check this shit out. Thank you.